Yay!
Hi, I'm Peach. Today we'll discuss about some important places that you can see around you. Important places around you. Part 2. Post office. Post office. 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 Gas station or petrol pump. Gas station or petrol pump. Railway station. Railway station. Airport. Airport. Park or playground. Park or playground. Amusement park. Amusement park. A cinema hall. Cinema hall. Museum. Museum. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. The links will be available in the description box below. You did a great job today. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.